Oh, hey there. I'm here to talk to you about hardware engineering. Hardware engineers research, design, and develop testing systems and components such as processors, circuit boards, memory devices, networks, routers. These engineers discover new directions in computer hardware which generate rapid advances in computer technology. The mean average pay for an engineer is $109,000 per year and $52.13 per hour. Places these hardware engineers work are places like IBM, eBay, Dell, and other IT companies. They work closely with software engineers. The Association for Computing, Machinery, and Organization is for hardware engineers.
Engineer.
Hello, my name is Socha. I'm going to talk to you about software engineering as a subdiscipline of electrical engineering. Software engineers design, develop, and test software used by various companies, both the private and public sector. Software engineers, because of the ubiquity and the of computers in the modern era, software engineers have had a much higher demand and an increasing job market all across the country, but specifically in a lot of areas like the West Coast, with companies like Intel, Google, and other tech companies that have been hiring them more and more to meet their needs. Across the country, the average salary, according to the U.S. Department of Labor for software engineers, is a little over $95,000 a year. But that range can go anywhere from as low as $56,000 to as high as $120,000. The professional society involved with software engineers is the Technical Computer Software Engineer Association, the TCSE, and their goal is to raise awareness about software engineering as well as to share the various tools and techniques that are developing in the current computer space. It is important in our modern society, as everything we have is run by computers, to have the appropriate software and the best quality software we have so that all our machines can run effectively.
Hello everyone, this is Yousif Balobaid. Today we're gonna talk about electrical power system engineering. First of all, let's give us like a brief description about electrical power system engineering and how it can be served in our society. The electrical power system engineering is a network that contains electrical components that can be transferred and supplied and be used for power. And it's used for supplying power for the regions and sizable regions and the cities in our society. Right now, let's talk about the duties and what the electrical power system engineering does. First of all, the electrical power system engineer he can design power system, and he can design power system facilities and equipment and the maintenance of it. Second, estimate the labor and the materials and the constructions. Also, they can inspect the installations and meet the safety standards and design also some equipment. Right now, let's talk what kind of jobs you can work as an electrical power system engineer. So, you can be electrician power system and can be working one of the biggest resorts in the United States at the Grand Canyon at Beach Spring in Arizona. You can work as an electrician power system. Also, you can work as a power distributors electrical engineering. Okay, and at Carolina State University. Okay. Right now, the minimum of the electrical power system engineering is about 83,000 K, and the maximum is 93,000 K annually. Let's talk about one of the biggest companies in this field and specialized in this field. The Boeing company, which is like a company that specialized in jet airlines and passengers, which is located in Seattle. Google company, which is located in California. Also Apple, and also the International Business Machines, which is like specialized in the manufacturing of the some of the factors in the United States. Thank you all.
Hello everybody, this is Zayed Alyami. I'm gonna talk about signal processing engineer. Signal processing area focused on issue regarding the efficient processing and transmission of data. Signal can be analog or digital. Signal processing is very mathematic. Signal processing is a new application in every field of electric engineering. In fact, there is three big careers option in signal processing, which are any kind of radio digital communication like cell phone, internet, or radar. The second one, any kind of dynamic vehicle, car or plant. The third one, and used in these days, the weapons. Also, there is some job available right now in USA. The first one in Alabama, software engineer, and also the second one, computer vision in Stone Farm. The average of salary of entry level for signal processing engineer is $87,547 per year. Thank you everybody.